Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot with Chiva. So now let's read naman ang ating mga Taurus. So, Taurus, this reading is general reading for your May 2026. This is Sun, Moon, Rising as well as Venus placement. Only takes what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. If it's not resonate, it simply means it is for someone else. Okay, Taurus, titingnan natin yung past, current, and near future mo energy. And this is, once again, this is for May 2026 reading. Okay, so, guys, if you want to extend pa yung reading ninyo, pwede nyo akong i-message dito, or you can go to my bio and check the link there. You can message me to book your extended private reading. So, this is for Taurus. Or Taurus. For Taurus, please. For Taurus. Nakikita ko dito, no, Taurus, I think meron kang something na kailangan bitawan. No, na nagbablock ng iyong new stability or bagong opportunity sa iyo. May kailangan kang bitawan. Yes. May kailangan kang bitawan, no? May kailangan kang bitawan na parang kailangan mong putulin yung isang bagay na yon para mawala yung block sa'yo and then pumasok yung bagong opportunities, no? And then you have to look the bigger picture after that, no? Or before that, para magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na bitawan, because Taurus, gustong-gusto mo ng stability. Gusto mo yung nandun ka lang sa stability mo. Ayaw mong lumabas doon sa comfort zone mo. Ayaw mong umalis doon sa bagay kung saan ka mas komportable. But this time, kailangan mo na ng umalis doon at I think yes, because we are going to enter Gemini very soon, no? And lahat yung mga tanong mo sa sarili mo is masasagot mo yan. Basta pagkatiwalaan mo lang yung sarili mo. No, yun yung nakikita ko dito. Yes, and you are actually, we are in the Taurus season, no? And we're going to have also a new moon in Taurus on May 16th. But parang ito yung talagang personal year mo no, nakikita ko. Because you have this, dalawang full moon dito. Okay. Let's dig in for Taurus. Let's dig in. So, kailangan ka talagang bitawan, no? Para magkaroon ka ng pagbabago. No? Hindi ka lang pwedeng nag-i-stay ka lang dyan, no? So, but we will still look or see. Yes, tama tayo doon. Yes, now, meron kang 4 of Pentacles and you have the 3 of Pentacles. Si 4 of Pentacles is masyadong, no? Secure. Or kung hindi to financial, ito rin is yung parang mas gusto mo kung ano lang, yung parang kontento ka na kung ano lang meron ka. No. Basta, iniingatan mo kung ano lang yung meron ka. But you don't know, no, na mas marami pang opportunities at mas marami ka pang pwedeng magawa na mas makakapag-growth sa'yo pa, Taurus, no? And yes, nakikita ko dito sa yung near past, no, na you are actually collaborating with other people as well, which is, it's a good start for you, Taurus, no? It's a good start for you to enter to your personal cycle or personal year of your cycle, no? Maganda yung nakikita ko na it's a good start for you, no? So, which is maganda yung past na nakita ko dito. And let's see the current. Yes. The devil again. Dahil siguro malakas ang energy ngayon ni Saturn na nasa bahay ni Aries, palaging lumalabas si devil. The world. Okay. Yes, yun nga. Meron kailangan tanggalin, Taurus, no? Which is yung mga pagiging materialistic, yung masyadong maraming paggastos, yung mga obsession sa mga bagay, yung mga, let me say yung mga pag-iwas mo kung saan ka mag-e-expand, no? Yung mga pag-iwas mo na yon, which is nag-i-stay ka kung saan ka obsessed lang, kung saan doon sa tingin mo is safe ka, no? Because you have the word and you have the devil, no? So, nakikita ko dito, mas maganda for you, Taurus, is look at the bigger picture, which is subukan mo mag-explore sa mundo. Mas marami pang bagay na wag kang matakot. Let me say that. Wag kang matakot na harapin yung mga bago para sa'yo. Na ang akala mo is nakakatakot, ayaw mong simulan kasi hindi mo alam kung paano. Don't be afraid to start. No? Don't be afraid to start something new para mag-expand pa yung iyong expand pa yung sarili mo, mag-growth ka, para meron ka pang mas maraming opportunities na dumating sa'yo, gano'n, no? So, which is, yun yung current mo ngayon, no? Nakikita ko dito, mas stuck ka doon sa old pattern mo. No? Yun yung nakikita ko. Yun sa current energy mo. And then, let's see the future energy for, the near future energy for Taurus, please. The Ace of Pentacles, and the Fool, no? Dalawang new beginning, no? Dalawang new opportunities, stability. Oh, wow. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Oops. Yes. Clarity, opportunity, stability. Because of these two cards. You have the Fool and you have the Ace of Pentacles. Napakaganda. No? So, all you have to do is umalis doon sa bagay na kung saan ka na-obsess. So, kung saan, tanggalin mo yung mga impulsive mo na mga ginagawa. No? As an adult, you know what to do. Alam mo kung ano yung tama at mali. Ano yung pabigat sa'yo, no? Alam mo yan. So, mas maganda siguro is tanggalin mo yon para pumasok talaga yung iyong new opportunities, new stabilities, no? Okay, now let me give you advice for Taurus. Tignan muna natin kung anong ibibigay na advice ni universe sa'yo and spirit, kung paano mo at paano ka mag-let go doon sa past mo, no? Hingi tayo ng advice para sa iyong past energy. Past energy for Taurus. Okay. The Ten of Cups, the Devil, the Devil again, yes. No? Double Devil, no? So, yes, yun nga. No? Yung mga temptation mo, yung mga obsession mo, yung mga dependency mo, yung, alam mo yon, yung, it is time for you, Taurus, to start something new with your own feet. Yeah? With your own ideas, with your own creativity, with your own energy, with your own, no? And then, umalis ka doon sa pattern mo, no? Na okay na ako dito, okay na ako sa ganito, hindi na ako maghihiling pa ng, lahat tayo, no? Lahat tayo as a tao dito, lahat tayo, kaya nating mag-expand. Kaya nating gumawa, mayroon tayong mga creativity. All we have to do is yung wag matakot na gawin yun, and then mag-move forward. No? Umalis dun sa comfort zone na yon at sumubok ng bago. But if you already reach, kung mayaman ka na, no? Okay lang, go. Stay kung saan kung yun. Kahit nga yung mayayaman, hindi tumitigil yan mag-growth eh. Kahit nga yung mayayaman eh, lagi naghahanap ng something new, lagi naghahanap ng bagong gagawin, no? Yung mga businessman, businesswoman, no? Kahit madami na silang business, pag naka-stable na yung business nila, hanap pa rin sila ng ibang klaseng business, no? And that's what I feel like na yun din dapat ang gawin mo, Taurus, no? And alisin mo na yung mga control mo when it comes to your obsession sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Dahil kay the Devil. Alright, advice naman sa iyong current. Yes. Expansion, no? Expansion nga kailangan. Eh, nakikita ko dito, no? As advice dito sa current mo, kailangan mo mag-expand, kailangan mo ng progress, kailangan mo ng quick movement, kailangan mo ng speed dahil kay 8 of Wands. And kay 2 of Wands naman, this is about making a decision and leaving your comfort zone. Leaving your comfort zone, taking a risk, mag-take ka ng risk, mag-planning ka, first steps, no, step by step, no, and making a decision. I mean, planning, di ba? Expansion, financial planning. Yun yung gusto ng universe na gawin mo, Taurus, no? Yes. Mabilis to. Hindi mo kailangan magbagal para mag-isip, no? Kasi ito na, parang pinupush ka na ng universe na go, no? Pinupush ka na ng universe. Because the world and the 8 of Wands. Pinupush ka na ni universe na, now na, gawin mo na yon. And make sure hindi ka mapapahiya hindi daw mapapahiya ang universe sa iyo. Just always, you have the 9 of Wands as well. No? Napakaganda naman. Okay, let me spread a card for your future or near future advice. So, kung gusto nyo ng extend or gusto nyo magpa-private reading sa akin, pwede nyo kayong message dito or i-message nyo ako doon sa link na nakalagay sa aking bio for private reading. Yes, advice dito, no, to get your financial stability, to get your, let me say, the hard work, no, yung mga hard work na yon. Alam mo ba, is all you have to do is be reliable to yourself, be practical, work hard, commit to that thing na plano mo, commit ka doon, mag-stay ka doon, mag-focus ka doon, no? Mag-commit ka doon, and you will get your Knight of Pentacles, which is the financial stability, no? And also, ang advice din dito ni universe sa'yo, in the near future mo is kailangan mo ring magtipid, no? Not because halimbawa dumating na yung mga opportunity sa Taurus, no? Hard work ka na, umalis ka na dun sa mga bad habit mo, bad pattern mo noon, umalis ka na, and then pinayagan mo na. Kasi alam nyo ba na kapag meron kang space na tinanggal sa iyo, may papasok na bago, no? Kung hindi mo yung let me say, no, puno yung isang baso ng tubig, no? Itong isang baso ng tubig na to is pinuno mo siya within 1 year. Within 1 year. And then after nun, bagong taon ulit, no? So, kung hindi mo babawasan yung tubig na yun, paano papasok yung bago? Malay mo yung bago na yun is a good opportunities at mga abundance yun sa'yo, no? Kaya ang advice dito ni universe, advice dito, no, is yung kapag may pumasok sa'yo, try to save it muna. Tanggalin yung past, bawasan yung tubig, at least kahit mga 1/3 or half, no, magtira ka, or at least 1/3, no, magtira ka doon, kasi hindi mo naman kayang tanggalin lahat yan, no, magtira ka, and then, lagyan mo ulit ng bago. Pero habang nilalagyan mo yan, kung hindi ka magsisave, no, hindi ka let me say, mag-i-invest or magsisave doon, hindi ka mag-i-invest doon sa ano na yon, habang nilalagyan mo, mawawala din. So, kahit anong lagay mo, matatanggal, mawawala din, di ba? So, the advice here is to save, no? Be practical, analyze everything, magkaroon ka ng, be researchable, no? Pagkatiwalaan yung intuition, yung pangloob mo, yung pagkatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo, no? Magkaroon ng confidence, and then, yan nga, hard work, practical, reliable sa sarili, don't be afraid to get your financial stability, to get your happiness, your new beginning. Okay? Dahil this is your near future, or your future means magkakaroon ka. And then, all you have to do is tanggalin yung mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo at yung mga bagay na nagpapastuck lang sa'yo. Okay, Taurus? Umakyat ka doon at kunin mo yung opportunities na paparating sa'yo, Taurus. So, this is your reading. Thank you, and see you in my next one.